Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to my OB Math Study Care. Now, today we discuss about the factorization for class 7 and 8 level. We know that we have some rules in factorization. If we convert the result of the factors, then we should follow some rules. I identified the some rules in this way. First, I think that we should follow the 4 rules to solving factorization or resolve the factors. First rule is common. Take common among the terms. We should, if have any common term, then we should take common. Firstly, we say common. Secondly, we should take applying formula. Secondly, if have any formula, then we should applying formula. Rules number 2. There is rules number 3. If we cannot take any common, we could not applying formula, then we should notice the rules number 3. Middle factors, but we should bear in mind, আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে যে when we should applying middle factors or middle terms, then we should bear in mind it has 3 terms. If it has 3 terms, then we can apply middle factor. Rules number 4. Then part to part. If we cannot apply the 3 formula, then lastly we cannot apply take common, we cannot apply formula, then we cannot apply factors, middle factors. Then we follow the rules number 4, part to part. Part to part means arranging the term, we can take common from this, then we solve the factors. Now we solve the some factors. Right? We take at first exactly we write some exercise. Suppose number a square plus bc plus ca plus ab. This is the algebraic expression. If we resolve the factors or factorization, we should bear in mind and we should follow the rules. At first, have any common factors, all the terms এর ক্ষেত্রে আমরা যদি নোটিস করি যে এই সবগুলো টার্ম থেকে কোনো কমন টার্ম আছে কিনা, we notice that there is no common all the terms, but can we apply formula? আমরা কি এখানে ফর্মুলা অ্যাপ্লাই করতে পারি? নো, এখানেও এরকম কোনো ফর্মুলাও আমরা পাইনি। সো থার্ড নাম্বার মিডল ফ্যাক্টরস ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের নোটিস করতে হবে যে মিডল ফ্যাক্টরস সবসময় 3 টার্মসের মধ্যে থাকে। আমাদের কোয়াড্রেটিক সাইজের যে ইকুয়েশন থাকে, কোয়াড্রেটিক মানে দ্বিমাত্রিক যে ইকুয়েশনগুলো থাকে, সেই ইকুয়েশনের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা মিডল ফ্যাক্টরস করতে পারি। এখানে আবার কোশ্চেন এসে যায় উপর ক্লাসের পড়া কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশন বা দ্বিমাত্রিক ইকুয়েশন, মানে যে নরমালি যে ইকুয়েশনগুলো থাকে এই যে টাইপের, যে x² প্লাস bx প্লাস c, এই টাইপের যে ইকুয়েশনগুলো থাকে তাদেরকে বলা হয় কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশন। যদিও কোয়াড্রেটিক যে এক্সপ্রেশন থাকে ওই টাইপের এই 3 টার্মের যে এক্সপ্রেশনগুলো থাকে বা 3 টার্মের এক্সপ্রেশন, এখানে যদি আমাদের x² না থেকে 4 থাকে, এখানে স্কয়ার থাকলেও সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা মিডল ফ্যাক্টর করতে পারি। যাই হোক, আমরা নাও ফ্রেন্ডস, নাও মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, কাম টু সলভ দ্য প্রবলেম। হাউ ক্যান উই সলভ দ্য প্রবলেমস? হিয়ার there is no common in the all terms, but we can take common from 2 terms. Every 2 terms we can divide 2 terms, here 2 terms. Here we have any common from first 2 terms, there is no common in the first two term, but if we arrange the term, a square plus ab plus ca plus bc. Now we can common from every two terms. First two term, second two terms. First two term take we can take common a. If we take common, then remain a plus b. Second term take if we take common, if remain b. Here remain b. A. That's why here we take common from first two terms. We take common a. Here remain a. Here remain b. Or the a into a plus b. Next we take common from second two term. Here we take common c. If we take common c, here remain a, here remain b. That means we notice that in the two terms, here a plus b is common from the both two terms. So we take common a plus b. Here remain a plus c. This is our answer. Resolve the factors. This is our answer. Okay. Next problem. We can write the another problem. 4 plus 8 square. 4 plus 8 square plus 9 e to the power 4. 9 e to the power. Okay, our next problem. 8 plus 8 4 plus 8 square plus 9 into e to the power 4. Have any common in the three terms? Three terms er moddhe kono common ache ki? There is no common in the three terms. There is no common in the three terms. So we can applying the next rules, applying formula. We notice that we can apply formula from these three terms. If we write 2 square and last term is 3a square whole square. If we should bear in mind, আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে যে ফার্স্ট টার্ম এন্ড লাস্ট টার্ম, থার্ড টার্মের ক্ষেত্রে যদি আমরা স্কয়ার আকারে লিখতে পারি সেই ক্ষেত্রে ওটা ফর্মুলা অনেক সময় যায়। তাহলে 4 কে আমরা 2 স্কয়ার লিখতে পারি এবং 9 e to the power 4 কে আমরা we can write thrice a square whole square লিখতে পারি। অর্থাৎ here 2 is a, 3a square is b. So we can write formula as 2 into a. A is 2 and b is 3a square. Here notice that 4 equal to 2 square is alright and 9 e to the power 4 3a square whole square is right. But in our previous lines was 8a square. If we multiply the factorization the second term, 2 to the 4 4 3 is the 12a square. অর্থাৎ আমাদের এখানে ছিল 8 square, আমরা we get 12 square. We have write more 4 square. 4 square আমরা বেশি লিখেছি, so we can subtract 4a square. 4 square কে আমরা মাইনাস করে দিব। এখন from the second line we can write formula 2 plus 3a square whole square 3a square whole square and 4a square we can write 2a square. So another formula can be here 2a plus 3a square plus 2a plus b. Here there is the formula a square minus b square. First formula was a square plus 2ab plus b square. There is another formula 2a plus ab. Here in the first line here we should apply formula. Here is formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. এখানে আমরা প্রিভিয়াস লাইন থেকে যে আমরা ফর্মুলা ইউজ করেছি
শুরু করছি
ওটা here 2 here the second line a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So here a is 2a plus 3a square is a and twice a is b. So a plus b into a minus b. 2a plus 3a square plus twice a. This is our result. This is our answer of the factorization. We can arrange the next line, the 3a square plus twice a plus 2 and 3a square. We can write the 3a square in the previous 3a square plus twice a plus 2. We can write here. Now this is the answer our second problem. Now our next problem p square minus 15p plus 56. How can we resolve the factors? We can factorize. Here notice that here is 3 terms. This is a quadratic form, a square plus bx plus c, quadratic form. We can apply, we cannot take any common from these 3 terms. We cannot apply the formula. Now our rules number 3, middle factor. We can use middle factor p square minus 15p. How can we factorize the 15p? We should bear in mind in the middle factors, the factorization এর ক্ষেত্রে middle terms বা middle factor এর ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে যে we should breaking the middle term, unchange the first and last term. The marginal terms কে আমরা unchange রেখে শুধু just only মাঝখানে যে মিডল টার্ম, যে মাঝখানে যে টার্ম থাকে সেই টার্মটাকে আমরা ফ্যাক্টরাইজ করব। সেই ফ্যাক্টরাইজটা করতে হবে as like as such that if we subtract or adding, if we adding or subtracting, it become 15, and if we multiplying the two factorized term, it become 56. How can we factorize it? So we can write 15p, 8p minus 15, 8p minus 7p, 8p minus 7p, 8p minus 7p, it become 15p, and 8 into 7 become plus 56. So we can here notice that students, p square and 56 is unchanged, but just only we factorize our middle terms. Only 15, we factorize only 15p. 8p minus 7p, it become 15p, and 8 into 7, it become 56. So we can take common from every term. We take common p from second line, p minus 8, and we take common 7 from second two terms, p minus 8. Why I write here minus? Because minus plus a minus. Before the 7, before the 7, it has minus sign and plus sign. So plus minus minus. From the two terms, we can take common p minus 8, p minus 7. This is our answer of factor. This is the answer of our expression p square minus 15p plus 56. Now our next problem. Now our next problem, maybe it is class for 8. 36 minus 12x plus x square. How can we solve this problem? We cannot take any common from the three terms. So first rule cannot be applied and second rule is formula. Can we apply the formula here? We should, my dear students, we should bear in mind, if we square the first term and second term, then it can be applying formula. We can write 36, that means 6 square, and x is x square. That means we can apply formula. So here a is 6, b is x. So we write minus 2a. A is 6, b is x. So our first term and second line, first line and second line is similar. 36 for the 6 square, 2 into 6 into x, 12x and x square. What is our formula here? Formula is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A is 6, b is x. 6 minus a whole square. So we can write here 6 minus a, 6 minus x, 6 minus x. We can write, if we take common, then we can write. This is our answer. This is our answer. Our next problem, number 5. Dear students, our next problem, x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 1. X square plus y square twice xy minus 1. Can you take common from the every terms? There is no common from the taking a term from the all side, all terms. So we can applying our next rules applying formula. We can applying formula easily if we arrange some terms. কিছু টার্মকে যদি আমরা রিঅ্যারেঞ্জ করি সেই ক্ষেত্রে we can apply formula. So we can write here x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 1. So there is a first three terms is as like as our formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and also we can write 1 is a square. Why I write 1 square? Because as like I arrange as a formula. So we can write 1 square. 1 কে 1 লেখার উদ্দেশ্য হচ্ছে 1 দিয়েও আমাদের এখানে আরেকটি ফর্মুলা এখানে অ্যাপ্লাই করা যাবে. For that's why I write a square on the 1. So there is another formula. Here is the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write our side note. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here is another formula can be applying here. A minus b whole square. A square minus b square. That means a plus b, a minus b. What is our formula? A square minus b square, a plus b minus a minus b. A plus b. A here a is x minus y, a plus 1, x minus y plus 1, and x minus 1 minus 1. Solve. This is our answer. This is our answer. Okay, my dear students, our next problem number 6. 6x square minus x minus 15. এর মধ্যে in our previous math we have applying the middle term when there is no coefficient in the first term. There is no coefficient in the first term, but now in this problem there is another coefficient before the x. In this case এই ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের একটা জিনিস মনে রাখতে হবে যে সামনে যদি কোএফিশিয়েন্ট থাকে, সামনে যদি প্রিভিয়াস টার্ম যদি কোএফিশিয়েন্ট থাকে, we should product with last term. 6 into 15, that means 90. So we can factorize x as, if we factorize x, it become 1x, that means x, and product of the two terms, it become 90. So we can write the two terms, we can write the vectors as 6x square minus 10x plus 9x minus 15. So 6x square minus 10x plus 9x, 10x plus 5x, 10x plus 9x, that means minus 10x plus minus plus a minus, it become minus x, and 9 into 10 multiply করলে it will be 90. That means unchange the first two marginal terms, only the factorize the middle term we get, we can factorize the expression. This is actually, this is factorization of middle vector by middle vector. So we can take common from first two terms. First two terms we take common, twice x, 3x minus 5, and here we take common 3, 2x, 3x minus 5. So it become 3x minus 5, 2x plus 3. This is our answer. So dear students, was this okay? Dear students, here 6x square minus x minus 15, this is our expression, and our answer is thrice x minus 5, twice x plus 3. This is our solving answer. This is factorized. In this system we can easily factorization of any kinds of expression. If maximum ক্ষেত্রে আমরা যদি রুলস গুলো ফলো করি, চারটা রুলস, আমরা যে চারটা রুলস এখানে লিখেছি, যে ফার্স্ট রুলস হচ্ছে টেকিং কমন, সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে অ্যাপ্লাইং ফর্মুলা, থার্ড রুলস হচ্ছে মিডল ফ্যাক্টর, অ্যান্ড ফোর্থ রুলস হচ্ছে পার্ট টু পার্ট রিঅ্যারেঞ্জ করে তার মধ্যে প্রত্যেকটা টু টার্ম থেকে কমন নিতে হবে। সো এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, we have solved the sixth problem and we have discussed about the some rules. So the class is end, or we meet our next class. Thanks all. ধন্যবাদ।